Hello everyone, my name is Salim Shabic and welcome to a new tutorial on Moodle LMS. In our previous video we were talking about how to create a new course in Moodle LMS, and now let's see how we can edit an existing course in Moodle LMS. So there are different reasons for which we might need to change our existing course. Maybe we want to change the course category, we want to change the course name, we want to maybe change the description, or we forgot to add something. So let's go and see how we can change our existing Moodle LMS course. First of all, you need to log into your Moodle LMS site, and then there are two options how you can two ways how you can change your Moodle LMS course. You can go to the site administration area, and in the site administration go to courses and click on manage courses and categories. And in this area you can, for example, click on a certain category and find the course that you want to edit. For example, we want to change a course in our test category for which we forgot to add a course image. There are few options in the course category area that you can do within the course. For example, you can select the course and move the selected course into a certain category, or you can move multiple courses with one click. You can hide the course or courses if you want them to be invisible, or even you can copy the course. For example, if you want to create many courses fast but just want to change certain things, you can copy the course and you will have the exact copy of the same course, and then you go in and just change some details for that particular course. So to change the course, you can click on the gear here and click edit course, and then we have the course editing area here. Or another way is you can go, of course, for example, this course doesn't have the course image, we need to add it. You as an admin need to go within the course, and then you need to find the settings link, which is basically within the options button, and then click to settings, and you can change everything within this course since you have opened our editing window. Now we will add our course image, which we forgot in our previous setting, and let's see the result. Now we have changed our course, and now we have added our course image. So that's it about editing a course, and see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.